Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can convert a save file to single player or multiplayer in Subnautica 2. It's quite easy. Very first thing you need to do is to choose single player or multiplayer depending on where your file is. My file is in single player, so I need to choose single player. This is the file I wanna basically convert into multiplayer. So for that I need to select this file. Then we just simply gonna see the option to convert. Since I want to convert into multiplayer, I'll get the option convert to multiplayer. But if you're converting your file from multiplayer to single player, you're gonna see the option for convert to single player. So once we click on this option and hit confirm, the file will be successfully converted. Like if I go to multiplayer, this is the file. Let's say this time I want to convert it from multiplayer to single player. Again I need to basically select the file. Then this time we have the option convert to single player. If you click on that and hit confirm, the file will be removed from multiplayer and it will be back in single player. There you go. So this is exactly how you'll able to convert your file from single player to multiplayer or from multiplayer to single player in Subnautica 2. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.